Folks, I am inside the Cherokee Grey Wolf 27G. It's a beautiful 27-foot travel trailers with a big kitchen in the front and a U-shaped dining, and you have a nice sofa lounge up front of your smart TV when you get yours, and the fireplace and the hidden pantry. But what I like about Cherokee Grey Wolf is they giving you a lot of stuff where in other brand you have to pay thousands of dollars for it, and they include it in the travel trailers. And I'm gonna point these things for you. First, this simple thing, they give you a nice lounge in front of the sofa. The ladies love it. Why? Because they could sit coming from hiking, raise their feet, sit, enjoy the nice view of the TV and the fireplace. And by the way, in this floor plan, everybody who's sitting on the dining and the sofa, they could watch the TV and I don't have to swing nothing. Okay, and then this lounge is a box you could put your game board. Also, if you have a bunch of grandkids, friends, you could put it right there, sit, talk, enjoy, and multifunction. And then this sofa, it become jackknife sofa, so it is become a bed. You could sleep one of the grandkids on it. Now, why they don't give you TV? Ask me questions. Why? Because the TV is so costly, so less right now. You could get a 40-inch TV from Costco for $100, $120, like that. So why we go buy it from the factory and they charge us more for that? So that's the reason they give you the bracket, they give you the hookup. You could bring your own TV. Nice fireplace, fire mantles. I love this storage. They give you even 110 plug coax. They give you deep and lip. I could put anything I want. And again, I'm still in a low cost price. I don't have to take 40, 35, 36,000 from you to sell you this unit, because we sell for less. Typical Cherokee Grey Wolf, 11 cubic foot, 200 watt solar panel. So come with 200 solar panel, 12 volt refrigerator, 11 cubic foot, very efficient. Beautiful across from it, you have a beautiful, voila, nice U-shaped dinette, seat more people with a zebra shade, a USB plug. And again, these shades, nighttime, daytime, you could see this, or you could raise it all the way up. You could do whatever you like. Typical Cherokee Grey Wolf, what they give us? Huge door under both sides of the dinette. And they give you two, one on this side and one on the other side. Now, look how amazing this beautiful kitchen. You have a nice view window here. And by the way, you're gonna see a bunch of trailers, but imagine you're seeing nice ocean or river or forest. Very prep area here, 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 here. Around the sink, around the stove, you have a beautiful 3-burner range, convection microwave, and air fryer. This is air fryer. Place for the trash can, so they give it to you more tinsel. Oh, and then they give you the bracket where you put it in behind your TV, and you slide the TV with the bracket over here, and voila. So they give you that. That's a nice about Cherokee. And again, air fryer, real air fryers, and the Cherokee Grey Wolf. Place for trash can. A lot of storage, a lot of storage, a lot of storage, a lot of storage, a lot of shelf, and then beautiful deep shelf. Look how deep it is with lights. I mean, modern. I love it. It's everything. Place for tinsels, you name it. So country sink with the cup rinse and a spray faucet. Amazing unit, lovely. And then again, I'm sitting here, I'm not on the way of my husband, my wife when she's watching the TV. 3 section trailers. What do you mean by section? Kitchen, dining, living, and we're gonna go to the master bedroom. Now, on the Cherokee Grey Wolf for 2026, what are the major changes they did? They're giving us RV King bed on all the Cherokee Grey Wolf. They're giving us power stabilizer jack in every corner, and we're gonna show that outside. And they're giving us also the mega storage. Beautiful bedroom, a lot of closets, RV King, door to go outside. I call this shelf is laptop shelf or CPAP machine shelf. You could put your CPAP here, get the hoses, and get the hooked up. Storage underneath, what they do on the storage, I'm gonna lift it up. and a lot of vents. And then this storage accessible from inside and outside, and we'll show you that. Jack and Joe, and then here's the place. They give you even the bracket. You could put your TV here in the bedroom. Jack and Joe bath. I call it Jack and Joe bath, or you walk through here, or if the cameraman come from this side, you could see the nice, beautiful sink with a medicine cabinet sink, nice porcelain toilet, plenty room for needs, no issue. And then you have the beautiful, let me open it please, corner showers, very roomy, high elbow, and again, no water go outside. So this is nice thing on the 27GH, because they give you all the stuff. And again, we have a price, we're very well known, and this is our model. We're not gonna change, no matter what they do, what they say. We're gonna keep the lowest price for you on this model in the state of California. Going outside, I'm gonna show you the new changes they did. Okay, beautiful two doors, one to the living room, one to the bedroom. Full outdoor kitchen. What do you mean by full outdoor kitchen? They give you the grill, as you see, and barbecue, and it come with the piece here to make a grill or barbecue. This is the cover. You could see they come with the outside fridge, the ice maker, outside shower hot and cold, and a third TV hookup over here for outside TV with outside speakers and outside TV hookup. As we say, they also utilize the storage in the front underneath the kitchen. And then they give you, and this is what is nice, they give you the dropped chassis. This is new for 26. And believe me, look how deep this storage. I mean, to prove for them, look, I could sit inside this storage room with lights, and this storage is accessible from inside and outside. Why they did this? Because they give you what's called drop frame to gain more storage doors. So you have no issue putting lounge chairs, picnic tables, generators, plenty room for you. And again, still has the power stabilizer jack. So you have electric stabilizer jack in the front, electric stabilizer jack in the back. We have a beautiful rack with the spare tires and a backup camera. They give you the backup camera, and they give you a rack for fire pits, mount chairs, electric bike, you name it. And second outdoor kitchen. So they give you two outdoor kitchen, one by the kitchen and one outside. This is the switch to prove for you. It comes with electric stabilizer jack, two in the front, two in the back, and there is stabilizer. Lights you could see at night when you hook up your store. You're not using your iPhone flash or Android flash. They come with light. This is the slide out where's your sofa and the dinette. This is the endless hot water heater, Suburban. And look how beautiful this window. I mean, I just want to show you how beautiful this automotive window in the front. The two propane tank with the cover, power stabilizer jack. Folks, again and again and again, please come to Best RV because you save $1,000 than other dealers, because our goal, good PDI, good service before the sales, good service after the sales, no hidden fees, no gimmick, just the sale price plus tax and license, and we give you the best and the lowest price in California, or actually in this side of the country. Come in and look at the brand new 27GH from Forest River Grey Wolf. Thank you.